Hello Arc'teryx. I am in Colorado at this moment, but I just was on a skiing adventure with a friend of mine. We stayed in Estes Park and went skiing in the Dream Lake area. I am making this video now because upon our return from the park, once I put my jacket back on, I found that I had a cut right here, which is not surprising due to the nature of the skiing that we were doing. But then I found that there was also a cut right here. I almost was going to accuse Kai of cutting it, but I think what happened is the branches tore the arms of the jacket. Now, I am not accusing you guys of creating a flawed product, because your product is absolutely amazing, and I'm not suggesting that you owe me anything, but I did want to ask, with a jacket that's a couple years old, with those kinds of wounds, would you recommend that I purchase a new one, or that I send it in for repair? And I guess I also want to ask, if I sent it in for repair, would it be something you could repair? Anyway, thank you for the jacket, and thanks for all the other adventures that I was able to go on because of that jacket. And I'm going to be on my way now, but keep making awesome products, and I will keep buying them. Thanks.